Hey people, so there is this movie on Netflix called Into the Night, and it's been set in the Brussels airport, and it's about this aircraft that apparently has to, it's something like it's all fiction, but keeping in mind today's scenario of a kind of a virus in the air and all, a movie that involves a plane hijacking because apparently if the sun rays were to touch the plane, it would it can be fatal. So I mean the very storyline is far-fetched yet not so far-fetched, because who would have thought that a virus can completely cripple the whole planet? Yeah. So yeah, I mean, this movie is Into the Night is gripping from scene one itself. So I mean, it's it's a bit like the movie Speed that had come, starring Keanu Reeves and Sandra Bullock, and except that Speed is in terms of they are all stuck in an aircraft, they are all flying in such a way that the morning rays should not touch them, which the premise itself is like, okay, so whatever. So anyway, people, you all can watch it Into the Night. It's among the top 10 trending films in India in on Netflix. So it's a very gripping film. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.